Hello viewers, this is a Sears ceiling fan, and when I first saw it, I thought of it, or when I first took a closer look at it, I thought of it as a Hampton-based St. Clair, and I was told by my conscience that this was made by General Electric or even Lasco. And I don't know if that's necessarily the case, but I'm just going to go with that until I hear otherwise. And it's in decent condition. The blades are a little droopy, and there's either kind of strange, there's canopy that is so much nostalgic, but yeah, and whenever I from what I experienced, it was shaking real bad, and I just didn't feel like sitting there trying to balance it just for a test. And overall, this is a really, really nice fan. These are some of my favorite styles fans out there. But yeah, and did I mention? I don't remember. I believe this is from, judging by the age of the house, I believe this is from 1992. I'm not 100% sure on that either, but I'm going to start it up now. It's got a fair bit of a hum to it. I don't know if that's because of how old it is or just how it naturally is, but here we go. And its motor's got to turn it toward it. Oh, wait. Motor's got a ton of torque to it. Watch how fast this starts up. The feeling of this air, it does really good. Even though it's a fall season on this, take it on a review on this. And it is exactly on key, and that faint sick beat is not in the fan. I think it's something on the seal. It really sucks that it's so out of balance. I'm not sure why. One of the irons must be bent or something. I mean, it's not that out of clock, but I don't. It's really throwing out a good breeze. And right here you see is the chain. Anyway, time to go down the median. I'm gonna go near over here because there's a whole bunch of racket with that hum, really. Like a whole bit of racket with that hum, really. It's quite pronounced. On medium. And of course, there's no gases in there. It's going to be vibrating crazy. See if we can pick up the hum. Still pushing a good breeze. Alright, now time to drop down to low. And the hum is about as way out as whatever this is. But and so yeah, and on low it's still and now I think we can hear the hum. If you hear it or not, use that hollow wood to make it reverberate to the noise, but now back up to medium. Just so you can hear the hum. Now we'll go down the low again. I'm just gonna take this off for now. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off for now. Just gonna give it a little more. So we can allow some more vibration so you can hear it. It's actually got a little slow low to it. I'm surprised it's that slow. I mean, it's not really slow, but I expected it to be faster than that. It's still pushing a little bit of air, not much. Alright, so we'll go back to high and then we'll do a spin now. It's not much wobble with this. It's not much wobble with without the shade on at all. I'll do a startup for you. Here we go. It's not much wobble without one of the shades on at all. Get a top shot of the fan running on high. Alright, here we go, and off. Now put this back on quick, because the relatives are probably gonna get on to me if they see this on, and I really don't want that to happen. And I kind of don't want that to happen.
Still making videos?
Yep.
I'll go upstairs and get this here. Oh, it stopped spinning. Okay, well, I'm gonna have this all be for now, because I noticed I didn't show the light on, but I just feel that it's kind of enough for it. Plus, the lighting in there looks kind of relaxing. But anyways, when I come back here, next time I come visit this house, I'll do a much better video of it, and we'll show the light on, and we'll show it with the light as well. Alright, thanks for watching, and out.